Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. This is Harry Viral and today I'm going to show you how can you save your website as PDF file. So if you want to download in PDF file, if in any website you can download in PDF file, so I'm going to show you. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and support me. So let's get started. So I'm here in my Google or Mozilla, you can go in anywhere, and then I'm in Google and I will go in, I want this site udemy.com. I want this site in PDF, so I will go in first of all this site and you can see the interface of this website, and I will click here interior control plus P, then you can see the pop-up will come and you can see the preview image. This will be down printed and you can choose the destination. You have to choose. I have selected already destination save a PDF, but you can choose here. Here is many options. You can choose here save as PDF or a printer or save to Google Drive. You can choose as